we're so religious as a country. Some people not only say the rosary every day, they go to mass every day. And if they could go twice a day, they would. Right? Yet, they don't give a damn about the cats or the strays. And then when you think about it biblically, so who did Noah save? Did he save the humans? He saved the darn animals. Right? And where was Jesus born? In a manger with animals. Because he was turned away by humans. And this is what actually, really, sometimes, it's like, what is it? Are we practicing, well, there's